by you guys real quick. Hey, it's my man Devin. Hey, come
How's it going, guys?
Hey, don't fucking play with me, dog. Fucking brand new, dog. Fucking talk. What I say? Hey, what I say, dog? Don't play, bro. Don't fucking play with me. Dog, we do this every fucking day. See, this one is inspiration.
Guys, Davido choke us again as he launches his new 500,000 US dollars Rolls Royce. That is 240 million naira. What the fuck? I mean, this guy is balling. He choke. Who they breathe? Who they zuzu? Davido we don't spend millions of naira on her daughter's birthday. He bought them 1.5 million girl bag, a Range Rover and other things. Still have another reserve money to buy a 240 million Rolls Royce. Who they breathe? Who they zuzu? Enjoy the rest of this video. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a like and drop a comment on the comment section. Hit the notification button to get notified whenever we upload another amazing content. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. One love.
Don't fucking play with me. Right where I belong. Good day, breathe. See my friend. See my passport. If I'm gonna put seat belt. Where's seat belt? Fucking shit.
Oh my.
Ooh. Are you driving?
I want to go to work. I got
Imade, don't try it. What's wrong with this? Turn it off, please. Hey.
Hours after the Nigerian
boy. I'm not the else to try it.